Good morning, folks. Day one, Limerick Lake. Let's go. First fish of the day on the fly.
Oh yeah.
That a boy.
Fucking Burrito was out here 6 a.m. crushing them.
Time for us to get going. Look at the fish there, man. Oh, here. Holy smokes.
Don't pull it or nothing. Pop the dipsy.
2 riggers, 2 dipsies. Let's get it.
Set on. Can you see him? Oh, close up. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, come away. Stop. Not too hard, too hard. Drive, boys, drive.
I got it. No!
It just popped off.
Yep.
We just had a fucking Laker on it the first 5 minutes.
It popped off.
Is that one up, Burrito? That's that one.
Right there.
Okay, so
there's the rigger. Rigger's set at 26 feet.
I believe that's that one. Hey,
Oh, so you got one set at 75 and then one set at 28.
6 hours later.
it's a Laker. It's a Laker.
Oh my god, dude. No skunking. Here. What are you doing?
Will!
It was good that you got it because it's your first ever. You needed that. Yeah.
That's right.
Fuck yeah, boys.
Let's go.
Cheers, boys.
It was like what, 32 feet of water?
That was 30 feet. Just ran over Cody.
Was that all the same one?
Yep. Fuck yeah. Beauty fish. Beauty fish. Nice. That's a good fish. There we go. They don't know that though. They don't know that's our biggest one right there. They don't know where we are.
Good stuff, boys.
Nice.
Good stuff, boys. Brookies tomorrow. Let's go. Day 2.
First I go down there and fish after though.
It's brookie time.
Oh, got one.
Walk on, Barb.
Dude, that's a good fish.
Oh, dude.
Get out of those bushes. No. Dude, that's a good fish. Wow. Dude, this is a good fish, dude. Give me that.
Hey, Burrito, is that up near the surface you caught that?
Nope, down deep. Let it sink.
Where's this bastard?
Right in the far one. Dude, get in there. I'm gonna push you in.
No.
Dude,
No.
that was a big fish. Appreciate it though, bro.
No problem.
What a beautiful spot though. Like, wow. I want to say it's a dace. Well done there, Cody. Cody just got us bait. I believe it's a fine scale dace. Beauty. All right. Quick update. 3 in the pail. There's just studs. Well, no skunky.
Did everyone get one? Yep.
Willie cut the heads off, took the guts out. 4 beautiful brookies.
Oh, Trout, do you want to chuck that knife in my backpack?
Beautiful little lake.
Where'd you get this knife from?
I don't know, that's tough fishing. There's zero shortage of bait fish. There's plenty of dace, there's plenty of fatheads, there's plenty of inverts. These fish aren't starving, that's for sure. But we are. Time to go.
Yeah, give her, bud.
I haven't skied in forever, so I better just drop them.
A little break from the fish, you know. We're satisfied. A couple brookies and a Cisco. Alright guys, round 2, going for Lakers. We lost Brado, still got Captain Cody and Willie. Gonna run 2 downriggers and an inline, all spoons right now. Buddy. Oh. Good burp.
That's on your spoon, Rick. Nice pretty guy, nice colors.
That's not a Laker.
What is it, a Cisco?
Yeah.
Check it out, buddy. Rock on.
I got all 3 trebles in them.
Another species for the night, trolling. Alright, see ya.
Later, mater.
Not bad.
Oh,
That's a better fish.
Better fish. Back up, buddy.
Back up,
Back up.
nice.
They want to cut out.
So that's Cisco number 3 on the day. Number 2 tonight. Looking for number 6 on the Lakers.
Just hit it hard.
Don't get a better one.
And there's... When the Lakers just hit that hard.
Alright, good night. It's a new day. Back to the trolling. 2 riggers and a dipsy. Let's get it. Here we go. Just a beautiful fish though. That a boy, Cody?
Watermelon.
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 Back up.
Is he about 15, you think?
Well, the boys are all loaded up. It's been a blast at Limerick. We got, what, 14 Lakers, 5 brookies, a handful of Cisco, and a pile of rock bass on the trip. What do you think, Chody?